Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, Christmas is a week away, and on average, we have a 1 in 10 chance of having a white Christmas here in the tri-state. Chances this year are a little bit higher simply because of the very cold air that's going to be moving in starting on Christmas Eve. I don't see a big winter storm threatening, but on the backside of this front, we may see some snow showers and maybe even some flurries as we head into Christmas morning. So a little snow here and there can't be ruled out. The cold temperatures will be the big story, I think, for this particular Christmas. Now this morning, 20 degrees. That ties two other mornings this month for the coldest so far of the season. But our high of 43 is right on the average, which is now down to 43. So it was a cold day, and that's what's pretty typical now that we head through in the middle to latter part of December. And highs generally in the low to mid 40s today. We're going to be in the same ballpark again tomorrow, a little warmer on Sunday, and even warmer, it looks like, for the early part of next week. And we're still dry on live first warning Doppler. That should be the case until later tomorrow morning when we begin to see the showers moving in from the north and west. Our tower camera network indicating temperatures still in the mid 30s here in the metro. We'll check out the situation in downtown Henderson, or on the northeast side of Henderson, I should say, the Highway 41 strip. There's the lights of Evansville off in the distance. Rocking a little bit in the wind. There's a little bit more of a south breeze up there at about 400 feet where our camera is located on the tower, so it's rocking a little bit. Downtown Evansville, not quite as rocky there on top of Fifth Third Bank, our Zemer Funeral Home tower camera, with the temperature right now still at 37. Hasn't really dropped much this evening. There's that south-southeast wind, a little lighter down at the surface, and temperatures ranging from the low 30s in our southeastern counties where the clouds are a little thinner to mid 30s elsewhere. And this is pretty much where we're going to be much of the night. We may drop a few more degrees, but that will be about it. A good 10 to 15 degrees warmer than it was last night. Mid to high level Pacific moisture moving in right now, but as the Gulf moisture starts to get drawn northward tomorrow, we'll see these showers breaking out, but this is not going to be a big rainmaker. It's going to be a light rain event, but odds are pretty good you're going to get a little light rain at times as we go through our Saturday. So Future Tracker keeps us mostly cloudy for tomorrow, a dry start to the day. If anything, the models are just a little faster with the arrival of the rain pushing into the metro around noon tomorrow, and then slowly pushing off to the south and east. Now, Future Tracker has Evansville drying out by sunset. Other models are a little slower and really don't dry us out in Evansville until about 6, 7 o'clock. So it looks like rain chances basically increasing late tomorrow morning and then diminishing as we head into the early evening. And then in our southeastern counties, any lingering rain should be ending tomorrow night. And then we get back to mostly cloudy skies to start our Sunday, which will be a dry day with the clouds giving way to at least some sun. Future Tracker very optimistic that we're going to see a good deal of sun on Sunday. I think that's too optimistic, but I think skies will at least brighten up. That will let temperatures warm into the mid to upper 40s. And keep in mind, the rain with this system tomorrow, as I mentioned, not going to be all that heavy. Our Future Tracker model has most locations less than 1/10 of an inch. A few of the other models do get our southeastern counties up to about 1/4 of an inch of rain. But bottom line, it will not be heavy, but it's going to be a little light rain that you're going to have to deal with at times. Now, we have another cold front, a dry one, coming in on Monday morning, early afternoon. So we're going to cloud up by daybreak Monday, but then see a gradual clearing trend with highs up around 50. We have the big conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn late Monday afternoon, right after sunset. This is the Christmas star you've heard so much about. They're going to be really close together and very bright. And right now, it looks like skies will be clearing just in time to see that astronomical event in the western sky. And that's going to be right after sunset on Monday late afternoon. Not too cold overnight, mid 30s for the low, mostly cloudy tomorrow. Showers gradually developing, a breezy high in the low 40s. That rain ends Saturday night. That 15% chance Sunday is before the sun comes up. We see a little clearing, 46. And then we cloud up and clear out again Monday, 50 degrees. Sunshine Tuesday and 50. 52 Wednesday as showers develop ahead of that strong front. Maybe ending as a little snow Wednesday night into early Thursday. And then sharply colder. 32 for the high Christmas Eve. Christmas Day, we start at 12. Brad with a high of only 30 and maybe a few flurries here and there. So it's going to feel like Christmas, but too early to tell if it's going to really look the way we want it to.
Well, things can change.
They sure
Never
can.
know. All right. Thanks a lot, Wayne.